Summit Range Model GC5271W Error Codes. Summit 27-inch natural gas cooktop with 5 sealed burners, cast iron grates, wok ring included, ETL in white. Error codes. No error codes for this product at this time. Oven temperature too hot or too cold. Oven thermostat needs adjustment. Adjust the oven thermostat. Top burners do not light or do not burn evenly. Plug-on range is not completely inserted in the electrical outlet. On models with electric ignition, make sure electrical plug is plugged into a live, properly grounded outlet. Burner holes on the side or around the top of the burner may be clogged. Remove the burners and clean them with a safety pin or paper clip. Make sure you do not enlarge the holes. Burners may not be fitted correctly onto mounting brackets. Remove the burners and reinstall them properly. Burners have yellow or yellow-tipped flames. The combustion quality of burner flames needs to be determined visually. Determine if your burner flames are normal. With LP gas, some yellow tipping on outer cones is normal. Burner flames very large or yellow. LP gas is improperly connected. Check all steps in the installation of the range section. Oven will not work. The thermostat capillary bulb must be clean and unobstructed. Make sure the thermostat capillary bulb located in the upper portion of the oven is in the correct position, not touching oven sides and not coated with anything. The oven vent is blocked. The oven vent, on the back of the range, must be unobstructed. Oven control improperly set. See the using the oven sections. Incorrect cookware or cookware of improper size being used. Oven bottom not securely seated in position. Strong odor. Improper air-gas ratio in the oven. Adjust oven burner air shutter. This is temporary. An odor from the insulation around the oven liner is normal for the first few times the oven is used. Surface units do not work properly. A fuse in your home may be blown or the circuit breaker tripped. Replace the fuse or reset the circuit breaker. Cooktop controls improperly set. Check to see the correct control is set for the surface unit you are using. Areas of discoloration on the cooktop. Food spillovers not cleaned before next use. Hot surface on a model with a light-colored glass cooktop. This is normal. The surface may appear discolored when it is hot. This is temporary and will disappear as the glass cools. Oven will not work. Plug-on range is not completely inserted in the electrical outlet. Make sure electrical plug is plugged into a live, properly grounded outlet. A fuse in your home may be blown or the circuit breaker tripped. Replace fuse or reset circuit breaker. Food does not broil properly. Oven is not set to broil. On models with a temperature knob, make sure you turn it all the way to the broil position. On models with a broil pad, make sure it is turned on. Food being cooked in a hot pan. Use the broiling pan and grid that came with your range. Make sure it is cool. In some areas, the power voltage may be low. Preheat the broil element for 10 minutes. Clock and timer do not work. Plug-on range is not completely inserted in the electrical outlet. Make sure electrical plug is plugged into a live, properly grounded outlet. A fuse in your home may be blown or the circuit breaker tripped. Replace fuse or reset circuit breaker. Display goes blank. A fuse in your home may be blown or the circuit breaker tripped. Replace fuse or reset circuit breaker. The clock is turned off from showing in the display.